Can you withdraw money from Steam account? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're gonna see if you are able to withdraw money from your Steam account. So let's just clear that up in a few minutes. So the first thing you want to know is that once you add money to your Steam account, which will be then added to your Steam wallet, you can access it by going over to your profile and click on View My Wallet. That fund will stay in your Steam account and can be only used for buying games and in-game items, or you could buy other softwares on Steam. So if you just go ahead and open up your Steam wallet here, funds on the Steam wallet can may be used for purchase of any game or within a game that supports Steam transaction, and you'll have a chance to review your order before it's placed. So some people try third-party sites to sell skins or items, but that's risky, unsafe, and it goes against the Steam's rules. And if you are unsure about your balance, refund, or purchases, the safest step is to contact Steam support. They can officially give you guidance, but keep in mind they won't transfer your wallet funds to cash. So the short answer is no, you're not able to withdraw your wallet's funds or amounts from Steam Wallet because they can only be used to purchase in-game items or items that are on Steam. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and if so, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.